anxiety and pure procrastination. First thing you're going to want to do before you take the oil out of the car, because currently it runs, it drives, you can take you places. If you take the oil out, you're not going anywhere. So first off, you want to make sure that you can get the oil back into the engine. I say this because I've had a car before where I can't get that off and it was a nightmare. You just want to make sure that you can change your oil filter. Do a bit of research beforehand. Sometimes you get the metal canister that screws onto the engine. Sometimes you get replacement ones with replacement paper filters. Some of them have a nut on top. This one obviously doesn't, so you need a special tool like this. Always have the tools that you need beforehand, so it just makes the job a bit easier. This may have been on there for some time, so I'm going to take it nice and slow. I had this on a Ford Focus and it actually split the cap, and because it was split, it started spraying oil everywhere and the car was completely unusable until I got a replacement cover for the filter. So take your time, don't rush it. You're looking under the car. Before you jack it up, you want to make sure that you find the jack points. Now I'm quite lucky, this has a central jacking point. Otherwise you have to find a jacking point on either side of the car to put axle stands on. Always use axle stands. Now if you're wondering how high to jack the car, well, have a look under the sills. Always look for something around here. You'll find a jacking point. It will look different from the rest of the sill. Don't just jack it up anywhere. There'll be something around this kind of area that looks a bit different. It might be a notch indicating in the sill where to jack, or it'll have a dedicated point here to place your axle stand. As you can tell, I've not quite gone high enough. Once it's high enough to get that in there, that's how high you need it. And of course, put one on both sides. And now we get under the car. Now we're going to be looking for these little nuts here, little bolts that hold on this under tray. These we need to get to so we can access the drain plug. Here. Wrong end. Here's the trick of being able to remove the plug without getting oil up your arm. I'll position the catch tray onto this side, see where it comes out into the tray. Just feeling it gently, keeping some pressure on there whilst twisting, and just waiting to feel the end of the thread. Just feel it go a little loose. I even feel a click as the last thread skips over. There isn't any wrong thread. Oh, here it is. Here we go. Hopefully it doesn't go on the floor. Just like that. Leave that there for a sec. I'm going to go remove the water filter that way, and the remaining oil should hopefully drain straight out. That's quite loose. There we go. Now let's go like that. So there. Drain out for a minute whilst I finish getting the rest of it out. Just be prepared, you may need to adjust the position of the catch tray whilst it's draining, because as you saw when it first came out, it was over here, and as the pressure reduces it gets further and further over here. If you're outside like I am, you might get some wind, so just be prepared that it might start going all over the place. Now I've got the filter removed, we need to actually remove the actual paper filter, which the old twist and grab works quite well. And we've also got some O-rings to replace. 3 in total, small one, medium one, and a big one at the top. Don't skimp on it, do replace these. Rubber wears out after a time. You're not going to want to put the new O-rings in dry. It'll be an absolute nightmare when you come to change them again. So what you need to do, get some fresh oil, just put a little bit around there, and then fit the new rings. Good to go. Now, if you've gotten this far, you're on the home stretch, because now it's time to start tightening up those bolts. Let's get that drain plug tightened up. I hate under trays. Oh, I hate under trays. That's my head. Go. Come on. Good. No. No. Yes. Oh yeah. There it is. Alright, where's the other one? Oh my good lord. Right. Another freak. Cool. Let's go. Over there. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That will do. Okay, where are you going from? What was it you do? Now it's tighten up the filter housing. Now it's very important that you don't over tighten these. It's so important, in fact, that they actually print what torque it should be tightened to on the actual filter, which is very handy. So you can use the torque wrench to make sure that it's tightened up correctly, it's not loose, and it's not tight. There you go, easy peasy. And now you just got to remove the torque, which is very tight. Good luck. Good luck. Hey-ya! There's your rating. Right there. Right there. So, next up, I'm going to take the oil from here, empty it into some bottles so I know how much oil came out the car, so I know how much oil went back in the car. This far, well done. All you have to do now, put some pressure on in the engine, you should be good to go. Put 5 litres back in. I like this car, it's very helpful. Go and add another litre. Right, we're giving it a few minutes for that to settle. See where it sits now. Engine oil okay. Awesome. Now bearing in mind that the oil filter has gone in dry, so that's going to absorb some of the oil. So, start it up, give it circulate through. Then we'll have to come back in 5 minutes to see how the oil level is sitting. Let's check again.